If you are running a clothing store and regularly add new collections, then this tutorial is for you. Because today I'm going to show you how you can promote your new arrivals directly to your customers on WhatsApp. Instead of sending the same promotion to every customer one by one, you can create one broadcast campaign and send your new arrivals to all your selected customers at once. And as you can already see on your screen, this campaign is working live. My customer will receive this new arrival message directly on WhatsApp with one image, offer details and direct link for the shopping. So whether you launch a new collection, festive wear, seasonal collection or special offer, you can promote it directly to your customers using WhatsApp. And for creating this complete campaign, I'm going to use the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process from creating the broadcast campaign to sending it live on WhatsApp. So if you run a clothing business and want a simple way to promote your latest collection, stay with me and let's create this campaign step by step. But before creating our new arrivals campaign, let me quickly tell you about the tool that we are going to use in this tutorial, which is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that's help you to create broadcast campaigns, automated chatbots, AI-powered assistants, and many other WhatsApp automations without coding. And the best part is you can first try the software before purchasing a subscription plan. You simply open a new tab, go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. And after using the tool, if you find it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on this sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp business account number with Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. All of these are best. Now since we want to promote our clothing store's new arrival, I'm going to click on the broadcast feature from here, and this broadcast feature is going to be appear in front of me. Now exactly what this broadcast is. See, in simple words, the broadcast feature allows you to create one WhatsApp campaign and send it to multiple selected contacts at once. For example, today my clothing store has received a new collection and I want to inform my customers about it. So instead of sending the new arrivals message separately to every customer, I can create one broadcast campaign, select the required contact list and send the promotion from here. And this is why the broadcast feature can be useful for clothing store. You can use it not only for the new arrivals but also for the festive collection, seasonal sales, special discounts and limited time offers. Now that you know how the broadcast feature works, let's create our new arrivals campaign. Simply click on the plus add broadcast button. After that, here you need to select the broadcast type that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I'll enter as new arrivals. After that, here you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. For that, I am selecting this leads list here. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you need to go in this contacts feature that are present on the left hand side bar and click on this plus add contacts button. You can also add contacts one by one manually as well as add in bulk. For adding in bulk, you need to click on this option and upload the CSV file. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Google Sheets or Excel. Here I have added my customer's name and phone number inside Google Sheets. After successfully adding it, I'm going to download the file in a CSV format. Because only CSV approved files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. Means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this tool is. For uploading a contacts file, click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, you need to click on this plus add contacts, and this is how easily you can import bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. And for creating a contact list, you need to click on this plus option. I have already created some list before, and in this broadcast setup I am using this leads list just for the example. After selecting the contact list, next one is refine audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, with the help of this toggle, you can skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part, that is the selection of message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send the regular message by selecting the message type from here. See, a regular message is used when a customer has already messaged your business on WhatsApp and their 24-hour conversation window is still active. During this active window only, you can send them a message without using a pre-approved WhatsApp template. But once the 24-hour window is over, you cannot use a regular message to start the conversation again. In that case, you need to use a pre-approved template message. Since we are sending a new arrivals promotion as a broadcast campaign, I'm going to use required template message and continue with our setup. For that, I'm clicking on this option, and I have already created this template before by the name of new collection arrival. After that, with this template message, I want to add one image. For that, I'm clicking on this option. For uploading a new image, you need to click on this button and upload it from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is the final look of the template that is going to be sent to your customers. After that, I'll click on this done button. Now for creating these types of attractive templates, you need to go in this templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. See, templates are basically predefined WhatsApp message that you can create and use for different business use cases. For example, you can create a template for new arrivals, festive sales, and many other campaigns. For creating a new template, you need to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created some templates before, and this is the new collection arrival template that we are using in this tutorial. Templates are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. After successfully selecting the templates, next I'm going to test this broadcast. So for that, I'll enter the contact name as test user and entering my number manually just only for the testing purpose. See, after entering my number, I'll click on the send test message button and it says that test broadcast sent. Now I'll show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received a message on my WhatsApp. See, this is the same template that I have selected here. This means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Next, here you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this message to all of the contacts that are present inside this list right now, then you will select this option and click on this plus and broadcast button. But I'm going to schedule this broadcast campaign for later, so I'm selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 28th of July at 6 p.m. See, on 28/7/2026 at 6 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts. See, next, if you want to automatically retry the messages that fails to deliver, you can simply enable this toggle for that. Once you enable it, you can select the number of retry attempts from here. This means if the message fails during the first attempt, Pabbly Chatflow will automatically try to send that message according to the retry settings you configure. After that, you can also set the waiting time between the retries. This decides how long Pabbly Chatflow should take before making the next attempt. For example, I'll select the retry as 1 and 12 hours as the timing. Then for a failed contact, Pabbly Chatflow will make one more delivery attempt after 12 hours. This feature is very useful because you don't have to manually find the failed contacts and try sending the campaign to them again. After successfully setting up this, I'm clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. You have successfully created a broadcast campaign for your new arrivals. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign by using Pabbly Pabbly Chatflow. And this is only just one example. By using the same process, you can create multiple types of broadcast campaign based on your own use cases. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while reading this amazing setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And also comment it, what's the next WhatsApp broadcast campaign you want. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.